Sorry, I was on mute.
Okay. So how are you?
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm fine. Long time, man. Long time, man.
Yeah, after a long time, we will meet again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll start. Basically, okay, I also try to add some previous part also, and then continue for the lecture. So that's why you can easily recap all of things, and you can
Yeah.
easily learn. Okay. So let's go. Just I simply share my
Yes.
screen.
And maybe today I will give you one topic just we can discuss about.
Okay, no problem. Your voice is very slow, so you can just
Okay.
simply raise your voice.
Okay. Let me increase. Yeah.
Okay, so now can you see my screen? Yeah. Okay, can you see my screen? Is it visible or not? Can you see my screen now? Yeah. Can you see my screen? Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yeah. I was on mute. Sorry.
Okay, can you
I
see
can
my
see your
screen?
screen.
Yeah. Okay. So now we continue. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So in this time, you will. Okay, so I will start from here. This time. So first of all, in this time, I discuss about a package. So basically, I already write the code in here. So basically, using this code, we can easily get for all of in the globally we can get all of countries boundary shape file, as well as we also get about that district boundary shape file or sub district boundary shape file. So any kind of district boundary shape file we can easily access from using the data set. So basically, this is the geodata. It's one kind of library. Okay. So using this geodata library, we can get all of country boundary shape file, cities boundary shape file, or sub district boundary shape file for any location in the world. Okay. So it's called the geodata library. So first of all, you simply click on the package, and then you find out that install. You can see the install. Just click on here and simply write the package name. My package name is the geodata. Okay. So basically, this is the second one, geodata. It not only for the shape file, there's a lot of data set we can easily access from the geodata package. So just simply install this package. So now I can see it will install it. This geodata. You can see it will show that all of package is successfully unpacked. Okay. And it successfully installed the geo package. And another package is called the SF, mainly simple feature. So basically, SF, basically this package help you to read the shape file or visualize the shape file. For that, we have to use the SF package. So this package I also installed from here. So just in the install and put here that SF. Just put the SF. You can see this is the SF package. So install this package also. And I want to just yes. So now it also installed about that SF package. You can see SF package is installing and download this package. So now it is installing about the SF. So basically SF package help you to create the different types of vector feature, such as for opening the shape file or reading the shape file. These type of things we can easily get from here. So it's successfully done. You can see package SF successfully unpacked. So now after doing these things, just I just simply
Yeah, could
import the
you
library.
please,
Yeah.
yeah, please, could you record this meeting maybe?
Okay, your voice is very slow. Cannot hear it properly. Kindly loudly. Yeah, please. Hello.
Hello. Yes, can you record this?
Yeah, I already got it. No problem. I also send you the recorded
Yeah,
video
okay.
class also, so that's why you can easily get it. No
Okay.
problem. Okay. So in this time, I just simply put the library, and import the geodata library. Okay, and also import the library SF. Okay, just simply geodata, run these things. You can see it will be loaded this package, and also run this. You can simply click to the run. You can see it also work for that. So you can simply import the two library. One is the geodata, another is the SF simple feature. So now from the geodata library, I just call the global administration function ADM. It means that global administrative area. Okay, global administrative area. So now here you can see here, after I simply take a variable, it's a variable name, region SF, it's a variable name. And further I call the geodata, it's my package or library. From this package, I call a function, this function called the global administration, mainly GADM. Okay, so it's a one kind of function. This function is stored all of country boundary shape file, district boundary shape file, sub district boundary shape file. So in this time, suppose I need the country boundary shape file for Bangladesh. So it's a short keyword for every country. Suppose for Bangladesh, it's a BGD. BGD. It is the short keyword for Bangladesh country boundary. For India, we are just put here the IN for India. Suppose you need the Pakistan, just put here the PK. It's a Pakistan. Okay. So this type of short form we can easily get from the Google. Okay. Suppose in mainly it's a country short form name, as well as also you can see USA. Basically, it's a United States of America. USA you can say simply use there. Also you can say UK. Then you can get the United Kingdom. Okay. So which country boundary you need? Simply write the short name. Suppose BGD for Bangladesh, and then you can see the level. Level 0. It will be start from the level 0. Level 0 is only for boundary without any kind of sub-district or province, or just only for a boundary. So in this time, I just simply run the code. Suppose I run the code, and also just you can see it show that about that. I put here that one. I take the suppose district or sub-district level boundary. So just click to the here. So now it will be working. You can see, and further I just plot these things. Just plot. So now it takes some time to work plotting. Yeah. So here you can say I can get this type of boundary. So basically here we find out that division. Okay, you can see it's one kind of division, another. So we can get all of division boundary. Okay. But when I put here the 2, suppose I put here the level 2, then I can get the district. Suppose I simply click to the run and also plot this. In this time, it visualize the all of district boundary in Bangladesh. Total 64 district. We find out that total 64 district boundary in Bangladesh. Here you can see. Suppose I put at the level 3, then I find out the sub district. Suppose just put here at the level 3 and then click to the run. So now it show you that all of sub district boundary in Bangladesh. So now it loaded.
So level one, it's
Level
like
1 is the division. Level 1 is the division.
admin one,
Yeah, 1 is the
like
division.
admin one,
Yeah.
admin one, admin zero, admin two,
Yeah.
something like
So
this.
admin 1 is that division, admin 2 is the district, admin 3 is the sub district. Okay. So level wise, administrative level. So now you can see in this time, First of all, it downloaded. You can see level 3 is now downloaded. It download progress. So in this time, all of sub district, mainly level 3 all of is automatically downloaded, and after downloading these things, it automatically visualize all of sub district in Bangladesh. We can get it.
So it means in this case we don't need to upload the shapefile.
Yeah. In
External
this time,
shapefile.
we don't need to upload any kind of shape file.
Shapefile, yeah.
In this time, it come from this package geodata. This geodata package
Right.
provide this type of shape file. Okay, so I simply search
So
the
this
geodata. Just
methodology,
yeah.
I think this methodology is the best.
Yeah. So in this
Best
time,
ever. So,
not need to import the any shape file. Just we are using suppose geodata. I simply search the geodata package in R. Okay, so basically, it provides lot of data set. We can easily access from here. Just search the Google geodata package in R. So you can see the download the geographic data. So geodata, simply click on here. Now we are also get the more information about this geodata package. So basically geodata download geographic data, function for downloading of geographic data for use in the spatial analysis and mapping. And this package facilitates access to the climate. We can easily get the climate data, crop data, then elevation data, then land use data, soil data, specific occurrence data, accessibility data, administrative boundaries, and other data. Okay, so it not only provide the administrative boundary, you can see lot of data we can easily access from here. We can access from the climate data, crops data, elevation data, land use data, soil data. So different types of data we can easily access from the geodata package. And also you can see about
so
that. Yeah.
in this case, we need to change the package.
Yes. Suppose you can also get the more result, better result from here. Suppose I just simply open this PDF file reference. I simply click on here. So now it provide the geodata package PDF. In this PDF, we can get the all of details about their function, or we can easily get in here. So here you can see. I just simply zoom in. So basically, it's one kind of package in R package geodata. Type is the package. So title download geographic data, version this, and it you can see this is the time it created, and it depends on the R. Okay, all of R programming version 3.5 it supported greater than equal. Okay, and basically it's this is the author who created this type of package, and further you can simply go to the below, then you can get a lot of other information. So from this R topics demand geodata package, you can see different types of cropland. Let's say one kind of content for this whole PDF. So I'll send you this PDF. You can try to read all of those things. I can get a lot of idea. Actually, it provides a lot of ready-made data set for the globally, such as land cover data, open street map data, population data, rice calendar, soil world. So we can world climatic biofactor data. So there's a lot of things we can easily cover using this package. So here you can see description. Okay, in this we can say function. Okay, bio oracle. So marine data from bio oracle. You can see basically it's a one kind of function. So in this time we are just
Is it
using
the function?
this function. You can see G Adam, this
Is
function
it
you have to use.
is it the function? Please, is it the function or the package?
So it's one kind of function. Basically, geodata is a package, and this package
Yeah.
including all of
Inside.
function.
Okay.
Suppose you can see in our code, I show you that in our code we are using the G Adam data. This function you have to use in here. Okay, so it's the administrative boundaries for any country in the world. We can use this data. Suppose you can see here we are just put here the G Adam. Okay, you can see G Adam. So this is my package. From this package I use it. Then it show the administrative all of layer, all of any global we can get all of administrative layer.
Oh,
So further you can see.
what is the function?
Yeah.
What is the function in this case?
So in this case, this function is the geodata. This is the function about that. Okay. Basically,
Okay.
this function
Okay.
show you the administrative boundaries for any country in the world.
Okay.
Suppose you need the elevation global data, so you have to use this function. Suppose you need you can see the land cover data. To use here this land cover function, you need the open street map data by country. We have used here the OSM data.
So in this case, is it possible to add the base map? So I mean, you have a shapefile, and then
Yes.
behind you can
Yeah. We
add
also add this
a
data, no
base map.
problem. Yeah.
The base map.
Yeah, we can also add the base map for that visualization, no problem. Also, you can see the population. Suppose you need the population density map, then you can use here the population function. So all of function I will try to explain one by one. I hope you can easily get the better idea about that. And it's available for the globally. For any country we can get, no problem. Any country can easily get from here. Suppose you can see, there also provide some demo code also in here. Suppose here you can see it's one kind of function uses and we can use it. And further you also check about that other. You can see the salinity data, temperature data. So that it provides a lot of data set. Salinity data, temperature data, as well as also you can see about that cropland distribution data, land cover. Okay, so now let's check about our code, which I think it will work. Yeah. So now you can see it downloaded. Okay, and now it visualize our all of sub district boundary. It takes some time. Just a minute. Okay, you can see all of sub district. Okay, all of sub district is available now. So it show about that all of sub district boundary in here. Okay, and when I put here the 2, then I can get only for that our district. So you can see it show about only for the district. Loaded. Okay, so we can get only for the district in here. Okay, if you want print that, suppose this region SF, these things I just print, and I want to show only for the 20 element. Okay, so just I simply print this variable region SF, this variable I print, and use here n equal to 20. So now you can see what happened. It show all of my district name. You can see it show about that all of district name. Here you can see basically name 2. You can see all of district name. Barguna, Borishal, all of district name. All of total 64 district. When I put at the 20, then it show the first 20 result. You can see first 20 feature. It's showing here. Suppose I put at the 10, just put at the n equal to 10, then it show the first 10 result. First 10 result showing this time. You can see first 10 result. Okay. So in this time from here, I want to show only for the Dhaka district. Suppose I want to need the Dhaka district map. Okay. Or Dhaka district boundary I want to need. So what can I do? For that, I take the another variable and I just use the subset function, and I want to subset from the region SF. Then I put at the name to equal Dhaka. Okay. So just I put at the district name of Dhaka. So now further I run the code, and also plot this. In this time, it show only for the Dhaka district boundary. Okay, it show the Dhaka district boundary. Not only for the Dhaka, any specific district, you can put the district name. Suppose I put at the district name is that, suppose I put at the Kurigram. So click to the one and also run. So now it show about that Kurigram district, another district boundary. So individual district boundary we can easily get from here. And I want to.
So, but how can I know if the name is correct or not?
Yeah. So for that you have to print that.
Because
Suppose
when you have
suppose you can print
when you are using QGIS or something like this.
No need. Suppose you can when you print that.
Let me just explain what I mean. when we are using GIS, so we can see the name of the fields.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, but here, how can I see the name of field? Because I can write Dhaka and the name is not good.
Yeah.
So
So in this time, you can get the name. Suppose when I print this variable, it show all of name.
mhm.
You can see name to
Okay.
this column. You can see name to Borguna. Suppose I want to show this result Borguna. Simply copy
Mhm.
and then I paste here. Okay.
Okay.
And name to is my
Okay.
column name. So that's why I put here the name to equal
Okay.
Borguna. So in this time, you can get the Borguna district. You can see. Just I plot that. So now it show the Borguna district boundary. Look like that. Okay. Suppose any district boundary. If you want, you can simply put here, suppose 64 district, all of this I have to print that. 64 and click to the run. So now it show about all of district name also you can see. All of district, it show from here you can see. We can get all of
Okay.
things. Suppose I want to show this Chandpur or Chittagong. Simply copy this name and then further I paste here. And then click to the run and also plot this. So now it show about that Chittagong district. Or any district you
Okay.
can put in here. Suppose I put here that any name, Rangpur, and also plot. So now we can get the Rangpur district look like that. And now I want to add here all of sub district in the Rangpur district. Okay, all of sub district I want to
Mhm.
add in here. Sub district boundary. Suppose for that, what can I do? For that, I just simply just put here the three. Okay, three mainly sub district. So now run it, and further I also just run these things and also plot. In this time, you can see all of sub district we can get for the in the Rangpur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah,
8.
but one question.
Yeah, please.
In the name too, if I would like to show all the district,
Okay, name
just
to
here,
suppose I just print that
yeah, here.
print.
Just I want to show all the country. Yeah, name to
Yeah,
17. Yeah, 17.
it's loaded. Okay, you can see it shown in this.
So we don't need. It means we don't need to change here.
You can see the yeah here you can see yeah it's a name two. Okay, so from the name two I just call the Rangpur name two mainly it's a district and I put here the three. When I put the three, so basically it's a sub district. Okay, so name when I plot that you can see when I plot these things suppose subset, then it show me only for the Rangpur all of sub district and only show about the Rangpur boundary. Okay, so it show the Rangpur boundary and also
It
show about
means
all of sub district in Rangpur.
so it means if you run the line, it will show the name.
Yes,
If
yes,
you
yes.
right,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Suppose in this time we talk about another country. Suppose I want to show the result for uh, okay, so what's your country name?
DRC,
This one?
Republic. Let me send you by email.
Yeah, yeah. So let's find out the short name. Suppose BD
Yeah,
or
first
BGD.
name DRC like this.
Okay, let me check.
Right?
Okay, DRC. Okay, okay. So in this time, we are just put here in our code here, we put here that just, a minute. Just put here that DRC. Okay. Suppose I
Mhm,
need the
mhm.
DRC level one data. So put here the
Just to
level
take
one
one. Yeah.
and then just run it. But in this time, it show about that country unknown country. So country ISO code. Let me check from the Google. What is the ISO code?
Maybe COD. Maybe.
ISO code So what's the country name here?
DRC. I suppose COD. Something.
Is it Congo?
I don't know. Yes, but no, we have Congo and we have Democratic Republic of Congo. So there are two countries different.
Okay,
And
Congo
not like this. This is
Democratic.
another. Yeah. Yes. So
Okay, so what's the short form? It's the DRC Demographic Republic Congo is a country in Central Africa. DRC, second largest. What is the short form about that? CD.
yeah.
Which country is the CD? CD is the internet country. Demographic Republic of the Congo. I think CD. Okay, let's try the CD.
Yeah. Yeah.
So put here CD. Now run the code again. Yeah, so now it worked. Yeah. So now it's worked. So now further I want to plot. Okay, it working. So now you can see it will be working. So basically, you can see it show about the lal red color. Again, it means that it now working. So you can see now it downloaded, automatically downloaded all of the shapefile boundary in your system, and further it will be plot. You can see it show this type of result. Okay. Suppose I put at the level two, and then run it. So now also plot that. So now it downloaded all of level 2 data for this country and then visualize it. It's working. Okay, it working. You can see it show about that red color. It means that now it interpret. And also you can see it also downloaded your all of data. Okay, so you can see in this time it show about that all of Congo level 2 data. Suppose need the level 3, just put at the 3. So now we can get all of level 3 data and also plot it. Now in this time we don't need to put any import the shape file. We can easily get it from here. Okay. So in this time it show about that. Okay, it show that this file does not exist. Okay, so basically for the CD we can get that level 2. Okay, level 3 is not available for this time. Okay, so we just try to work for
Maybe.
the level 2 and we just print that we can get. So now suppose in this time you want to check about that name. Suppose I want to just print first 10 result. So put here the 10 and further just run it. So now I can see it show me the name about your level 2. You can see where is it. Okay, let me clear it. Just clear and then print that. So print. Okay, so now try to find out this name. So here you can see we can get this type of things here. name one. Okay, so base, you can see this is the name look like that. We can get type of name. Also, you can see about the name two. We can get the name two is that you can see it's that one kind of name Akiti, or we can see about the Bambesa. Suppose I need this map for the this map, so I simply copy that Bambesa and then paste here, paste here. Okay, and now further just click the run again and also plot this
As,
Bambesa.
as you
So,
change.
plot.
Okay.
So now I can get that Bambesa boundary look like that. And further, it show about suppose any country you can simply put this label to region name. It automatically show about that. Suppose you want to show that Ondo, simply copy Ondo and paste here. So just click to the run and also plot. So now I can get this type of phrase. Okay. And suppose I want to put here the level one, and then run it and also plot these things. Now it show about the all of level one, and it also show about the level one name. Suppose all of those level one name, you can see we can get this type of name in here. Level one name. Yeah, I can see the all of this name. Level one, name one. Okay. It show about that this type of name. Also you can see Ecuador. Okay. So from where you can choose any specific. Suppose I want to show about that this level one. Simply copy the n and paste here. And not only for that, you have to also change about the column name. Column name is the name one. So put here that name one. Name one. So now we can get that whole region of the base ELA. So just run it. Also plot that. So now we can get this type of region in here. Okay. So basically, this is the process for any country boundary world.
So
Yeah.
how can you add a base map here in this case?
Okay. So in this type, okay, let me show you. Okay. So for that, we have to also use this type of data. Suppose that is the you can see the geodata. From the geodata, we also call the another package. So basically, in this time we are use this thing Adam that function. Okay, put the country, then define the level. Okay, these things we just try to use in here. So further, suppose land cover. Suppose I want to add the land cover data set for your study area. So for that, we just use here the land cover or open statement. We try to add in here. Suppose OSM. So further, I simply copy the OSM. This function I had to use, and then go to the R Studio and simply change it. Just paste here OSM. So now further try to run the code. Okay, it's about okay. We have to also change about the argument. OSM country, then var country, okay, country. We have to define the country. Country will be 3-letter ISO code or full name country can put in here. Okay. And further R character. Currently it can be one for the place or highways or a railway. Okay. Then path for the okay. Then this time we define the two argument country and var. So we try to put here. Suppose one is the country. So country. Suppose this is the country. Okay. Label dot need. Label not need. I simply remove that label. It not need. So just click run again. And further, I need the var. Var equal. Suppose I want to show for this study area only for highways. Okay, var, I put the highways. Just put here this highways. And now for the plot, we have to use here the comma sign. Okay, so now I just plot the only for the highways to plot. So now let's check what happened. So now for this, for your country, we can get that highways only for the highways boundary. You can see it downloaded all of highways in your country, Congo. So it takes some time, I think, because there's a lot of highways about that. Suppose you need the highways data, or you need that. Also, you can see other data is also available. Suppose you can see the railway. Okay, just you can simply download it. This type of things also from here. Actually, it provides a lot of information, lot of data we can easily get from here. Also, you can see about that. Suppose you can see also put the example, this type of example, and population density. Suppose you want to make the population density map. So for that, you can see you also use here the population data. You can easily get from here, and you can get the data yearly population data. So you can easily get from here. You can see just put here the population, then put here the year. Year mainly numeric. It will be 2000 or 5, 10. Which year you want to need. Then you can see that resolution numeric. So valid the resolution, you can put the 10 or 5, 2.5, 0.5. So it's different types of resolution number, and then it automatically show you that population result for your study area. Okay, so let me show you that. So I also send you this full PDF. You try to do this type of things. Okay, you can easily add it any kind of data, and it's globally available. And after generating the data, you can easily create the beautiful map in R Studio using the geodata. Okay? So it's one kind of package, and this package provide you lot of function for your work. Working, you can see download it. Just simply change in here. In this time from the geodata, we call the open street map for this country CD, and put here the var equal to highways. So now it will be downloaded all of highways. Okay, for this country, and now it also plot after downloading these things. Then we can easily get that all of highway for your study area. It working. Okay, so in the meantime, I'll talk about the base map with downloading. Okay, so just I open a new file or script, and now I want to add here that base map. Okay. For that, adding the base map, we have to install a package. This package name is the base map. So click on the package and go to the install and put here that base maps. Base maps. Okay, and then install. So now it easily installed the base map package. Install it. Okay, it working.
Comment je vais supprimer ça?
So it downloaded all of highways for your full country boundary. So that's why I think it takes some time for
Okay.
downloading the full data set,
Yeah.
the highway.
Okay. So and then it will save where?
So it's save your documentary file, mainly your directory.
Okay. Okay.
This directory, I can see
And
this is the
so next time,
files.
if we want to use, we need to download again,
No, no, no,
or we
no
can
need, no
use
need,
the
no need.
data.
Just only for the one time,
Okay.
because it is stored all of data automatically stored in your data set. Okay, suppose
directly.
if you want to download for one time, suppose I download the country boundary or highways one time, further I can easily use the again and again. I can easily use it, no problem for that, because all of these things will be stored in my, you can see get wd get it means that directory, your directory in this time document. So all of those things is stored in your directory. So further you not need to download again, just for the first time.
Okay.
It, okay, it's almost finished. Okay, done. So now it will be visualized as well as also installing the base map, which I already run the code. So that's why it also installing the base map. Thanks. So now I just try to, in this time you can see when I run the code again, in this time not downloading. Without downloading it just show the result. Suppose run the code and also plot that. Just plot. So now it automatically show our all of highways in your country. We can get it. So it
So
loaded. Yeah. So you can see all
iOS
of,
is like a base map.
yeah. Okay, in this time you can suppose in this time I want to add the base map. So let's go try to add the base map. So yeah. So I write the code. So just I simply put here. Okay, so after installing, just simply put here that library and call this base map because I already installed this package. So just put here the base maps. Okay, just simply import this library. So now basically base map can be different types of base map. Okay. So in this time I want to check all of types base map. To put here the get map types. Okay, just I run it. So now you can see it show me all of base type name. Okay, all of base map name. Different types of base map. Here you can see world. You can see there's a lot of base map. You can see. Start from here. Okay, you can see that open street map OSM. So basically for the OSM we can get the street base map, street D base map, topographic base map. Also you can see the OSM stamen. So it's for the toner base map, toner BG base map, train base map, or train BG base map, watercolor base map. Okay, so you can see that a lot of base map we can easily access from here. So I want to suppose visualize one by one. So for that, what can I do? For that, just I simply set defaults for the base map. So just put here the set uh, defaults and put the map service. Suppose I put the first service OSM. Just put here that OSM. Okay, I put the OSM and it's my service. And further, I put here the map type. So put here that just take an argument is the map type. So type, map type. After that, suppose I need the topographic. So this topographic I need. So topographic. So just put here the topographic. And further, I want to run the code and then check what happened. Okay, it's not loaded. Just a minute. For loading these things, we just put here that. Okay, so for that, suppose okay, these things I want to add a data. So for I want to add this map in here. Suppose for this map. So what can I do for that? Okay, just I use the same code. I simply copy and further I want to plot these things. Okay, then this it will be added in my base map. So just I run one by one all of things one by one run. Also run it. 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 And also plot it. So now let's check what happened. What? Just a minute. Let me try again. So this is my code. I have to set the defaults. This type of map. Okay, suppose data. Suppose base map magic ck. So base map. Yeah. Now at this. Yeah, so now it worked. Yeah. So you can see now loading the base map, topographic map from the OSM. So now let's check what happened. Get loaded. One. Yes. 78% done. 89% done. And 100% done. Now what is okay? It's right. Yeah. So now it shows this type of this map. Show this type of base map. Suppose I want to show another base map. Suppose I want to show the lot of base maps. Suppose I want to use that OSM stem in and then it's a map service I put here and put the type. Suppose watercolor. Simply copy and then put here the map type. So now just run the code again and also map token, map service, OSM extend registered. So it takes some problem. It show that it not register to obtain a token. Okay, so in this time, when I want to use that, then I need the token. So in this time we are using the free without token. Suppose I want to use here the map box or carto. Suppose I want to use here the carto package. So carto is my map service carto and I have to use that, suppose this figure. Simply copy, then paste here. So now try again. And then okay, Carto is also loaded, you can see. So now we can get that Carto base map. Okay, so it show type of base. So you can get this type of base map, but I want to add the base map on my data. Suppose I want to add the base map on this. Okay, and now it will work. Suppose I just try to get the highway data, and this highway I want to plot. So just plot. So now let's check what happened. It will be loaded or not. And okay, loaded. Hmm, but there is no base map. Why? I want to add the base map. Suppose I below the code in data base map. So ext. I want to show that region SF. So this is my data. Now let's check what happened. Okay, now I hope it will be loaded. Yeah, 34% done. Okay, so now it's loaded. But this base map is not overlay. So is it your study area?
Ah, bonjour, monsieur. Comment?
It it is the Congo.
Yes, Congo, yeah.
Okay, but okay, so I think it also work, but I want to okay, so now in this time I want to plot this thing. Suppose I just plot it. Plot, if I plot that, then what happened? Okay, then it also show only for this. Then so I want to make the overlay. Suppose it show the behind the feature show the base map.
Yeah.
And it will for better. Okay, so for that I think we have to use that another package. It's called the ggplot. This package we have to use in here, and then we can easily do it. Base map we have to use. So for doing these things, we are just make a package. Suppose I just import a package. I just import a library. This library called the ggplot library. ggplot library, and I want to make the ggplot, ggplot, and then I put at the plus sign, and then further I put at that base map gg layer. We just add a layer, so base map gg layer, and then I just call that region sf, copy and paste here, region sf, and then further scale fill identity. So for that, in this time, upload these things, region sf. So region sf. So now try to run it. Could not find the function ggplot. Okay, so we have to install the ggplot library. Yes, install gg to install. Okay, it's actually done. So now run it. So now let's check what happened. So how I can overlay this data? I just let me run the code again from first. Geodata, library sf, and plot this highway. Then I want to plot, suppose page map. I import get page map, map OSTM, page map. It will loaded. So first I put here that base map view, base map view.